Welcome back. This is how to fix Prestige PIC 6.1 V3 Induction Cooktop E9 error. So, first thing is switch off the cooktop and unplug it from the power socket for safety. And guys, this error usually indicates a voltage issue. Either it's too high or too low. So guys, make sure the socket provides stable voltage around 220 to 240 volts and avoid using low quality extension cords. And what you could try to do as well is restart the cooktop. So just simply unplug it and wait for 2 to 3 minutes, then plug it back in and power on, and you should be able to fix it. If it doesn't, what you could try to do as well is test the cooktop on another wall socket to rule out wiring issue. But if the problem persists, just simply contact the Prestige customer care or qualified technician for the repair. There you go. See ya.